Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel if you are a returning viewer, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hi, it's me, Nessa Eileen, and today I'm coming at you with The Sims 4 Discovery University Let's Play Part 20. Julia, you are talking so loud. We are starting the episode with Julia and Marique's date, and this episode is basically going to be part them being on their date and then the other part celebrating Winterfest. There we go. So let's get into it. So we're talking to our sim, to our date, to our sim. Brighten her day. Oh, dang, he's being a little like, let's see with her. Oh, it has to be Marique because he asked her out, I guess. Don't ask her to be just friends. Ask about her day.
Give her a heartfelt compliment.
You know what I want to do? Oh, let's talk about cooking. I'm like trying to avoid this. This will be like the end thing. Okay, let's order drinks and then food, or food and then drinks. Let's order food for here, and you can order a cannoli. You can also order food for here. You can also get a cannoli. Let's go. Let's see. Are they going to get their cannolis? Are they going to get their drinks? What is she? He's ordering a drink. And did she just order a drink? I wanted her to order cannolis. Did she order cannoli? Oh, that's... no. I'm wondering if they got their food yet. They didn't get their food yet. Rohan is off to class. Okay, cool. Good job, Rohan. Can you take notes, please? Okay, I don't want them all to be talking, I guess, but you can be talking to Julia. Brighten her day. Do an impression. This chick, Angela Pleasant. You're finally making my cannolis? Okay, they're not having a great time. Okay, whatever. Can we come out here? Can we just sit out here? Sit together, please. He needs to use the bathroom and he's hungry. Dang, y'all are not. Wait, no. Julia, where are you going? This date is not going well. Sit together. They're both hungry, that's why. Okay. No, wait, you're supposed to sit and talk. Compliment her outfit. Tell her you have to compliment, or no, you have to tell her a story. Okay. Tell an outrageous story. And then he can go use the bathroom after that. Use the bathroom. Julia, are you gonna try and get food again? Yeah, okay. I don't know whatever happened to our food. Ooh, you should just swipe those. Ah! Should we fight her? I'm gonna try and steal her food, actually. Cheerful introduction. Introduce yourself to her. Hi. Yeah, I'm just gonna take these, okay? And it was a bronze medal. It was a date, if not the most successful date ever. Check your Sims household inventory for your consolation prize. A book. Great. And they're still hungry, and it's like basically dinner time now. That date kind of sucked. I feel like we can all agree that it kind of sucked. And is that an indicator of how Marique and Julia's relationship will go if they try to pursue this? Maybe. Maybe that is what maybe it's a good indicator. Where do they live again? Brindleton Bay? Cool, we are home. Okay, let's put away the laptops. How about that? Clean up the house a little bit and let's make some dinner. Cook a grand meal and we'll do a tofurkey dinner. Tofu? Tofurkey? Can we finish decorating? Decorate the topper with Julia and Jasminder. Now everyone's getting up and they're doing stuff. He's so cute. He knows he's getting his picture taken. That's what's up right there. LOL, I realized that my microphone was off this whole time. Nice. I want you to joke about politicians, I guess. I hope she's not a politician. Did you already use the bathroom? You did. They're all hungry. Who is this? I don't know, but what? She's famous apparently. Oh, she's not famous. Okay. We can invite her in. Just I mean, we're not gonna turn away. She's not even our neighbor. I know for facts she lives in the whatever eco lifestyle um place. They're all so hungry. Hello, neighbor. Come on in. There we go. Okay. Now, can you call them to the grand meal, please? Call to grand meal. Let's all have a grand meal together. Did you? Yeah, you did introduce yourself to Father Winter. You introduced yourself. Everyone's sitting down. Everyone's eating. Finally, everyone can eat. Okay, we can talk to this new lady. Uh, get to know her and give her a belly laugh. Okay, let's start doing presents. Um, give him a heartfelt compliment, and can we ask for a present? He's good. I'm glad Santa's good. And again, I forgot to to unmute my microphone. It's like every time I take a sip of coffee, I mute my microphone so that you guys don't have to hear me sipping on my coffee. You know what? I'm just not gonna do that, and you guys are gonna have to hear me sipping on my coffee because I'm, I don't know, an egg brain. I don't know, potato brain, and I apparently forget every single time to unmute it. So I'm just gonna stop muting it. Gross. Did Rohan get a brand new spanking gift? Cool. Okay, so did everybody? Noel, Rohan, Julia, and Marty. Cool. Everyone got their gifts. Is he leaving now that everyone got their gifts? Yes. Okay. Julia, you can use the toilet, and we'll start with presents. You know what? You can grab a drink. You can have a coffee. We'll start with presents with Rohan. Can you put this away, please? And then I want everybody to sing together, though. Sing together. This one. Frudage long sign. Let's all sing together. Come on, guys. Let's all sing together. No, get up and sing. She's like, nah, bro, nah. They're so cute. Wonderfest successful. Successful is over and it was successful. Okay, cool. Let's open presents with Noel, Rohan, and Julia. Julia, don't you dare go to sleep. No, no, no. Come walk here. Come walk here. Rohan, no. Go here. You have to do your presents. Okay, Rohan's next. Noel got one upright classic headstone. Okay. Rohan got one Isla Paradiso postcard. Cool. Okay, what did Julia get? Something cool, I guess. One eighth story of 3 candles. She will treasure it. And he got one tea magic personal brewer. Cool. And I guess I'll set everything out off screen before the next episode, and I'll have everything out and we can look at what they got. Should she firmly embrace what with her astonishingly sculpted arms that she likes fitness? Yeah, Noel likes fitness. Alright, so here's the question. Are they gonna pursue their romantic relationship or are they not? Okay, and Marika's staying up. You can sit here, I guess. Did you finish your coffee? Yeah, he did. So I guess you can stay up and compliment her outfit. He still wants some more coffee. Give her a knock knock joke. Brighten her day. And then get to know. And then first kiss. Here it is, here it is. Oh, are they gonna kiss? Or is she gonna reject them? Is she gonna reject him? Okay. Okay. Oh wow, they're still flirting and I'm not even doing anything. Okay, let's see how long this lasts. No, you're still sleeping? I mean, you're still sleeping. You're still juggling. Okay. No. Ew, gross. Clean this, please. Use the toilet. Wash your hands. Brush your teeth. And go to sleep. When does... Okay, he has school in 2 hours. Let's use the toilet. And he should be fine. Okay, I'm gonna wake up Julia so that she can fill this bowl and she can clean this up. Okay, here's some of the new stuff that we got. So this is the candles that Julia got, and then we got a tea maker, and then a new coffee maker, and a new refrigerator. Send her alone, please. Oh, you're not gonna do that. I want you to outfits, change outfit into your cold wear. All right, and we're gonna go to campus. All right. Oh, he failed his audition? Why did he fail the audition? You didn't get the role. The casting director didn't say if it was because of your line reading or because of the fistfuls of mints you took from the check-in desk. You better work on those skills to be... What? Okay, that's upsetting because it said that he needed like level 2 or level whatever charisma, and he's got a level 9 charisma. I don't get it. I do not get it, but whatever. I think they're just being biased and they just don't like him. I don't know where his class is at. Charisma, it could be right over here, I think. So let's go here. What you can do is as you write it, your homework for as you write it while we're waiting. Okay, go over here, I guess. Yeah, there we go. I guessed right. Cool. 6, 9. Okay, so the next part will be his last day of class, maybe if I don't play off screen, and then he has one more semester until he graduates, which is great. Okay, but yeah, this is the end, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this part, sorry for the rambling. Feel free to comment and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will speak to you in the next video. Bye!